Hey guys, what happened? How to add stop loss on Kraken. So what you're gonna do, just go ahead and select your favorite trading pair. Again, I repeat myself, you can't do that on Kraken wallet because Kraken wallet is only limited. It's like a digital wallet currency, right? So you can convert exchanges, sell, sell with cash, sell to receive cash and then withdraw to your bank account, and buying as to like you actually expecting Bitcoin or any other crypto exchange will go at a higher price, and then you're gonna see, it's like a portfolio mixed with the wallet practices, right? It's like a bank with also portfolio, right? Portfolio trade. So what you're gonna do in order to execute the stop loss order, you need to use the Kraken Pro app. So select the trading pair you prefer. In my case, I'm gonna open my trading pair at the bottom middle right here, right? And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and before you start adding the prices and everything, you can just go ahead and click next to the cell right here, limit, and you can add a stop loss order, right? You can add a stop loss limit order, right? And then enter the price, of course, and then the TP and SL. You can add percentage wise also if you prefer to earn, let's say, 10% and lose, let's say, 5%, right? So basically, depending on the market, really, you're gonna add the SL and the TP all together. But if you want to just add a stop loss order, you could just go ahead and click them as we mentioned before, next to the cell, and then go ahead and add the stop loss like order, right? And then start executing and triggering that order, and you're gonna be able to add a stop loss on Kraken. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.